Hello, beautiful soul sisters. Let's talk about exfoliation and body scrubs. One of the most important parts of skincare, especially if you shave or if you use self-tanner. So exfoliation is gonna get that top layer of your dead skin off and remove it and really create a blank canvas for your epidermis. It's gonna create that perfect smooth finish. So before I shave or before I apply a self-tanner, I like to do an all over body exfoliation. It's so great for your skin. There's different levels of exfoliation too. We have some shower smoothies that are more of a lighter exfoliation, especially if you're more sensitive skin. And then this is one of my favorites because it really gets in there and does the job, but it's not painful by any means. It actually feels really good. So I like to use our exfoliation gloves with this because it's double the exfoliation. But if you just want to use your hands, it's perfect. I'm using our NCLA Beauty. I'm using the cucumber scent right now, but you can do this with any scent. Peach and grapefruit. Oh, they're fabulous as well. We also have a coconut. So you just get a little bit out, probably more than this if you're gonna do your whole body. I like to get a thick glob. That's the best way to describe it. You basically put it on your skin, get some water with it, and you just go in circular motions all over that skin. And it doesn't hurt, it smells great, it polishes your body, and again, it removes those dead skin cells. And another way to remove any of that yucky tanner that's like lasting, you know how when it kind of gets flaky, that means it's time to exfoliate. Exfoliating is a great thing to do once or twice a week. And again, if you're going to shave or apply any self-tanner, always do it before you do that. Again, if you don't do any of those things and you just want nice, smooth, polished skin, make sure you're adding exfoliation to your skincare routine. You can throw these right by your bath. Just keep it by your bathtub, keep them in your shower, and then all you do is rinse off with water, and you're also gonna rinse all that yuckiness and dead skin cells off.